What's going on, guys? Back again. We have another bike that doesn't belong to us and we're doing an exhaust install. So we're obviously going to have a sound comparison, and I'm on a bit of a time constraint tonight, so I'm just going to hook in and get it done. Let's go. So we got the side panel off here, the connector for the O2 sensors just there. As you know, if you watch my last video, we always make sure that we undo the O2 sensor while it's on the bike, because sometimes it can be a bit tricky to do it when the exhaust is off. So we'll make sure we unplug that first and then just crack that off so we can undo it by hand. I did just have to get that bolt out for the bottom radiator mount because the flange for the middle cylinder was hitting on that, but that was enough room for this to jiggle around and be able to get that whole system off. Just starting to assemble the headers now. Got a beautiful SC project going on this bad boy. Of course, we only use the quality stuff here at Midnight Motors. Getting this all assembled, getting ready to whack it in. It's looking like we're retaining a lot of the OEM brackets and stuff. Aside from the flanges that we've already put on, this is what we've got remaining. So yeah, it's looking like we're just going to be using a lot of the factory hardware, which is pretty handy. So we got it all situated. She's looking pretty. As per usual, everything's loose. We're gonna bung in the O2 sensor there, and we're gonna put all the springs on. And then I'm going to start from the headers and work my way back, because we want it to have a nice seal on the headers. We discussed in one of our previous videos about the gaskets coming out, so make sure that they're all in and start from the headers back so you get a nice seal there.